Well, hello there. Let me tell you a secret about me. I love aviation. I wanted to be a pilot when I was a kid, and my two favorite movies are the Top Gun movies.
Here we go.
Today, we're in Northeast Calgary, close to the Calgary International Airport at a community called Coventry Hills. So I thought it'd be a great opportunity to make a paper plane cocktail. It was created by Sam Ross from Milk and Honey.
We've talked about him before, haven't we?
Actually, yeah, we have talked about him before when we made the penicillin. And if you want to see that video, click on that link up there. It's a riff on another cocktail called The Last Word. I'm not going to get into the details that separate the two, but your key ingredient in this cocktail is Amaro Nonino.
I was gonna say, that's a new one. I haven't seen that.
This is a new one. It's an Italian bitter liqueur. There's all kinds of different Amaros. This drink specifically calls for that Amaro. The other important ingredient in this cocktail is bourbon. So today we got some Knob Creek aged 9-year single barrel bourbon. The paper plane's a really easy cocktail to make. It's all equal parts. Yeah, so here we go, let's build. We'll start with an ounce of our Amaro, followed by an ounce of our bourbon, and an ounce of our Aperol, and finally an ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Once you got those together, grab some ice, shake it up. Welcome to this 3-bedroom bi-level in Coventry Hills in North Calgary. This house has so many cool features. It backs onto a green belt. On the main floor, you've got 2 bedrooms, nice dining room, huge kitchen, lots of great things to love. One of the things I love about bi-levels is that when you're down here in the lower level, you have these huge windows, so it never feels like you're in a basement, which is great because here you have a massive family room, another bedroom, and tons of storage. Out back, you have a huge deck and a nice yard. You have a double attached garage. It's got everything you need. If you're interested or have any questions, feel free to send me an email, give me a call, shoot me a text. And traditionally, the paper plane has been served up. So you got this nice little fancy one. And you just garnish it like that. And there you have a paper plane.
I like the color of this one.
Yeah, it's really nice. Do you like planes?
Love planes.
Yeah?
That was cool.
You dipped yours in the
I
drink?
did. I colored it.
The real test of a good paper plane is, does the garnish fly? Oh. All right, well, let's try
They
it.
were well weighted.
Cheers.
Cheers. Delicious.
Yeah, and I'm not even gonna argue with you. Always a good reminder to chill your glassware before you start making your cocktails, because it does make a big improvement.
The experiential component is fantastic with this one.
So Amaro, they're all a little bit different. That one in particular, the Amaro Nonino, there's all kinds of different flavors in it because there's herbs and roots and spices, but it does have a lot of components to it. It's quite a complex accent liqueur.
So how would you compare that to like an Angostura bitters? Do you use it in a similar kind of way?
Angostura bitters is a lot spicier, let's say that.
More potent?
More potent. The Amaro Nonino is a lot gentler than,
Okay.
than an
Yeah,
Angostura
and this
bitters.
drink overall is gentler than some of the others.
Yeah.
It's not terribly spicy. It's nice and light. It's refreshing, but it's got lots of flavors there, lots to think about.
Yeah, and when you consider we were using 100 proof bourbon, the fact that you don't catch that in this drink is a testament to the drink and how it's made. Make a paper plane for yourself. It's a fantastic drink. We're coming up on
Definitely
summer.
do that.
It's a great summertime drink. Awesome one to enjoy with friends. Thanks for tuning in. Hopefully we'll see you on the next episode of
Cocktails and Cribs.
Like and subscribe, really helps the channel. See you later. Thanks, Goose.
5 weeks, you're gonna fly against the best fighter pilots in the world.